Rubik's Cubes. Puzzles that require skill and memorization. I think they are really cool, but I currently don't own one right now, so I've decided to make a Rubik's Cube out of dice. Yes, dice. Why exactly? Well, like I said earlier, I don't own any sort of Rubik's Cube, and I also thought it would be really cool to make a Rubik's Cube out of dice. So with that being said, let's begin. One of the first things I need to do is come up with a materials list. Thankfully, I saw this website which showed how to build the cube, and it also showed key materials I would need for the cube. So for the materials, I need 3 things: 96 D32 neodymium magnets, 12 D62 neodymium magnets, and 27 19mm dice. Okay, so I checked out the magnets that the website used, and while the price didn't seem bad at first, in the end, to ship it with UPS, it would cost $70. There was also an option to ship it for cheaper through USPS, but there was potential for long delays. So I decided to check Amazon, and I finally found the 2 different magnets that I needed. Okay, here I have the neodymium magnets, the smaller ones and the bigger ones. And what I need to do is put them in a chain and mark the same sides so that when I put them in the dice, they're not put in the wrong way, so I don't have to pry them out or break the dice to get them out. So, I mean, this is obviously more than 96 and this is more than 12. So I did order a pack that came with many. So I need, oh, that's strong. Okay, I need 12 of these. So this one is 12. And then I need 96 of these. How the heck do you open this? Oh, there we go. So these ones are easier to break apart, thankfully. I need 96 of these. So I need to take 4 of that group of 10. Jeez. So this should be 96. Oh. Oh my gosh. Holy. Oh. Okay. Okay, so I need to form them in a line like this and mark the same exact side with a Sharpie. Let's start with the big ones first. Oh, this is hard. Shoot, maybe I should remove these spacers before. Okay, now we can begin. So if you can't really see what I'm doing, basically what I'm doing is just marking like a circle or just like a dot. It's not really a circle, but just so I know which side is which, basically. Now it does smear a little bit, but it's not really rubbing off too much. Yes. So that was the last big magnet. Now we're on to the little magnets. some of the Sharpie's rubbing off of my fingers, but the Sharpie doesn't, like I keep saying, it smudges but doesn't completely wipe off. Last one. Let's go. Now that didn't take as long as I expected. It was around 30 minutes only. It wasn't too long, and it wasn't that hard except for trying to separate these magnets. So the dice I ordered arrived. I had to order 3 separate packs because they only came in packs of 10. Which means I have 30 dice. I only need 27, so I have 3 extra. I ordered green because I really like this translucent green color. But also, I can see that they're pretty bigger than normal dice that I've played with in games or stuff. Earlier, I ordered the wrong dice, and they were really small. No, it didn't work. So these dice need to be 19 millimeters so that the magnets can fit in them properly and have enough space. Now that I have all the materials I need, I can move on to drilling the dice and inserting the magnets. To help hold the dice in place and to drill on center, I used a wooden jig. Okay, so I already finished the core of the dice and all the center pieces, and now all I have left to do is put the edge pieces in. So I still have a lot more work to do. It's been a few days, but I just finished the centerpieces of the dice. Now all I have left to do is put in the corners and insert magnets into the centerpieces that attach to the corners. Okay, so it's a new day, and now we're gonna work on the corners, and the centerpiece is touching the corners. The cube is finally finished, and I think it's really cool. With the color I picked, the green, there were other colors. There was like black, there was also blue, but I think green was a really cool color that I picked. I also was thinking about coloring like the dots on the numbers different colors so it's easier to distinguish the sides, but I think it's cool how it is. The cube functions, you can turn the sides, and it's really satisfying turning the sides and the magnets locking in place. It's really cool. The only problem is it's a little difficult to turn, but still I think it was a really cool and fun project. One thing I also like about the cube is that if you're stuck, you can always take the pieces apart and fix the cube back together and restart solving the cube. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.
My ability to go grill a beat is from Elohim. Ain't no competition in my game, it's just me on me. And this composition ain't for fame, it's for G.O.G. Tell the devil go back where you came, cause we walking free.